know those type of slippers that they used to, when they just come out, everybody wants one. And it's like you have to have one. That's what it looks like she's wearing on her eyelids. Some type of fuzzy slippers, right? Now tell me something. Don't those things feel very heavy? How is she supposed to open her eyes? How is she supposed to go out in the night? Is she going to be able to see in the dark with those lashes on top of her eyes? This must be some sort of photo shoot or something. This can't be real. It can't be real. It just it can't be real. But it is real. That is the fashion. That is how some people like their lashes. They like them big and they like them chunky. I don't know if I would wear something like that. But that's just me. Let me know in the comment box below what you guys think about lashes. Those lashes.